Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change which monitor you're using for presentations on your Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your presentation and select the slideshow tab at the top. Now on the right side, right above monitors, it should say monitor. Click on the drop down. If you had multiple monitors connected, select which one you want to have the output device be, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.